Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this electric lunchbox. And it comes in a nice carrying case that you can either put over your shoulder or hold it by its hand. So that is fantastic. But the meat and potatoes is all right inside of here. You have a recharging cord box because this thing is completely rechargeable. So you don't have to go find an outlet to be able to use it. It's all right here. If you didn't want to carry it that way, you actually have these kind of recessed in little handles to be able to carry it as well. So that is really nice. On the top here, you do have a little hidden compartment for a little fork and a spoon that they give you. So everything you need is all right here. It does have nice locks on the side to keep everything contained in here. You have your instruction guide, and here is your massive 6.3 cup insert. I mean, this is huge. It's a nice capacity, 1500 milliliters, 304 stainless steel, and then your heat surface down at the bottom. It also has this little divider in here if you did want to have different sorts of things in there, and your little steamer thing to let your steam in and out. But to operate this, it is all right here on the front screen, and it starts at your on. To turn it on, all you've got to do is just simply turn this. And then you set your times, whatever your local time. You can change your Fahrenheit and your temperature here. Now you have your heat, you have your warming, and you do actually have a timer. So this is great because you can easily just set your timer for whatever time you're wanting to have it. You can then lock it. I mean, everything is great as far as how to do it all. You just simply spin it, set up however many hours, what time you want to do everything, and then go. So if you were at, say, school or work or anything, you don't have to really prep anything. You get this thing ready to go, you set on the timer, you say, okay. I love how it has this nice screen on here. It's pretty lightweight. This would be great for anybody that wants to eat some hot food.